What's going on, guys? Model Rockets 321 here. Welcome back to the channel. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell notification, drop a comment, hit the thumb up, all that good stuff. And also support the links below. On the website you can see, or actually on the screen right now, you can see a discount code to estisrockets.com. Fill your shopping cart up, put that discount code in there, take advantage of a discount over at Estes. It's IN_321, IN_321. Put that in and watch the discount happen. Also check my links below. Got the Model Rocks 321 website, the Weebly site. You can see some stuff over there you might like. And that's all you can do. Support the channel, support the efforts, and I appreciate you guys. Today's rocket is the U.S. Air Force Beaumark missile. This is a mini version of it. It flies great. I did have a break on one of these engines here a while ago when I did fly it, but it flies true and straight. A lot of nose weight up front. There's some disc here. It actually had the glue disc inside here that make the nose really heavy. It is a great flying rocket, 18 millimeters. So you have to friction fit your motor in there, no hook or anything. Got your launch lugs right there, one there and one there. And it's a super scale, a great flying rocket of an early U.S. Air Force missile. Similar to a cruise missile, I believe. I'm going to have to do some more research on it. I had read about them a while ago. It's been so long, you start forgetting the stuff that you read. So yeah, the U.S. Beaumark missile, there's a Canadian version of this, I believe, also. They're kind of mounted. They kind of stand up like that. They may be on some kind of rail system, and they take off and go after what they got to go after. But yeah, this is the Beaumark. This is today's rocket of the day. Like I said, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Drop a comment below. And we will be back with more videos like this and some launches and some other stuff. So stay tuned and check discount code on the channel. This is Model Rock 321, and I am out. This is the Beaumark missile.